Yes. For this assignment, we were to read the two articles found in the resources and then discuss which accessibility concepts that were new to us, which ones were most important, and which one you might use already. And as for me, not having any visually impaired students so far, I've never thought about this, but having alternative text as it relates to images on your web page or in documents, having alternative text can give information. It's also important when you do alternative text not to be redundant. As it shows here, what would be more appropriate alternative text in this example 1, image of George Washington. The viewer would already know that it's an image, and essentially D. You would just describe that's George Washington. This particular article goes into depth and proposes it in different ways. You could add greater descriptors, and you can go farther down. You can even have links, and there's not always just one right way. There could be multiple ways that are applicable. So this is one I never thought of, and I'm definitely going to be doing that to my images. As far as what I think is most important, I really feel having the ability for people to use and submit forms as a teacher would be maybe an assignment that students do some research, put in answers, or even taking a test or something like that. So I think this is really important. And accessing, some people don't have the use of their hands or are unable to move a mouse, and being able to have it keyboard interfaced. It's important to remember that JavaScript is only enabled through the mouse, so to have other forms would be important. And then lastly, I don't want to go over my time here. Lastly, I think the ones that I use, again, I think would be logical document structure. I already do all that with my course content, headings and stuff. But as it comes to developing web pages and subcategories, here's an example how a person who would be only using the keyboard, you could just keep hitting the tab button, and as I push the tab button, you can go down, and if I wanted to hit any of these areas, I could just hit enter, and I would reach those pages. So of the three things, I think I hit them all, and I will definitely, this has opened my eyes, and I'll definitely be using more of it.